Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add Kahoot link in your Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After opening your Canva, you can see Create a Design button on the top right corner. Click on it and create a new blank template. First of all, you have to copy the link from the Kahoot website, and for that you have to add a new tab and here type in kahoot.com. Now if you already have an account, you can click on login and sign into your account, and if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up free and create a new account. Here I have already signed up, so I am going to log in. After you log in, you can see different options here. Now click on the search bar and type in Kahoot. Now you can click on any of your desired Kahoot. Now here you can see a sign button, click on it. Now here you can customize the settings and click on create. After creating, it will lead you to this report page, and here you can see this invite button, click on it and you can see the copy option here, copy this link. Now go to your Canva and here on the apps option, click on it and on the search bar type in embed. Now click on this first logo. After that, you can paste the link that you have just copied from the Kahoot website and click on add to design. Here we have successfully added the link of Kahoot into your Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.